Alright, we're going to work on multiplying two or more fractions. So again, we're just going to multiply straight across. So 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 8 is 24. And we need to reduce that, so we can divide both of those by 2. To give us 10 divided by 2 is 5. 24 divided by 2 is 12. So that's one way to do it. And like most things, there's more than one way to do this. And the other way to do this is to simplify before you multiply. So I can't reduce 2/3, I can't reduce 5/8, but I can look crossways and reduce. I can reduce the 2 and the 8. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, 8 divided by 2 is 4, and then I can multiply. 1 times 5 is 5, 3 times 4 is 12. Alright, next I have 1/5 times 10/13. So again, I can just start multiplying. 1 times 10 is 10. 5 times 13 is 65. If you didn't know that off the top of your head, you can always work it out. And so both 10 and 65 can be divided by 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 65 divided by 5 is 13. So if you reduce this before you multiply, it actually makes your multiplication much simpler. So I can't reduce 1/5, I can't reduce 10/13, but I can reduce the 5 and the 10. 5 goes into 5 once, 5 goes into 10 twice. So now I have 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 13 is 13. Alright, do another one. So I have 3/4 times 2/9. So 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 9 is 36. I can reduce that by a factor of 6 to give me 1/6. If I wanted to reduce that before I multiplied, I can reduce the 3 and the 9. 3 goes into 3 once. 3 goes into 9 3 times. And then I can reduce the 2 and the 4. 2 goes into 2 once. 2 goes into 4 twice. And multiply. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 3 is 6. Alright, next I have 7/8 times 1/3. And looking at this, there's nothing I can reduce on this, so I'm just going to multiply. 7 times 1 is 7. 8 times 3 is 24. So again, if there's nothing you can reduce, just multiply.